New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Flemington, or 15 miles southwest of Somerville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Somerville, Bridgewater, Byram, Bedminster, Flemington, Tinicum, High Bridge, Clinton, New Hope, Hopewell, Fronttown, Lebanon, Stockton, Skillman, Flagtown, Bellmead, Lumberville, Outsville, Sargentville, and Pipersville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 14 and 33. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 17 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. The